Hello. Welcome to Monday Messages from yours truly, Missy with Stallings Insurance Agency. Topic of the day: why has my insurance rate increased? My poor account managers, I think they hear this question maybe 25 times a day. It's not funny. So that was kind of an awkward laugh because insurance rates can increase for various reasons, and it's important to understand why this might be happening to your specific policy. Here are some common factors that can lead to insurance rate increases. Claims history. If you've recently filed a claim or had multiple claims, especially at fault accidents or claims for significant amounts, your insurance company may raise your rates. Our insurance company might raise your rates. Frequent claims can indicate higher risk, and we all know that insurance is based on exposure and risk. Therefore, increased cost for the insurer, and so therefore kind of trickling back down to you. Driving record, traffic violations, accidents, or moving violations like speeding tickets can lead to rate increases. Insurance companies consider poor driving record as an increased risk. Again, we rate your policies. Our insurance partners rate your policies based on increased premium or increased exposure, which leads to increased premium. Changing coverage. If you've changed your coverage limits, added additional coverage, or altered your deductible, your premium may change accordingly. Increasing coverage, lowering deductibles often results in higher premiums. That seems kind of obvious, but also the type of vehicle you drive, the type of home ages, insurance premiums can increase. As you age, did you know your premiums can either increase or decrease if you're considered a youthful driver and not anymore, or now a mature driver, meaning an old driver, like me. It's strange that I am the same age as old people. Location. Your location plays a significant role in determining your insurance rates. Living in an area with higher crime rates or a higher likelihood of accidents, speeding tickets, etc., can lead to higher premiums. So if you've moved recently and noticed your premium changed, that might be why, up or down. Changes in personal circumstances. Major life events like getting married, having children, buying a new car can affect your rates as well. These events can change the level of risk you present to the insurer. Credit score. In some regions, for certain types of insurance, your credit score can influence your rates. Insurers often use credit-based insurance scores to assess risk. Yes, we do. And if you know that your insurance score, your credit score has improved, we can actually re-rate that. And if it hasn't improved, it does not affect your premium negatively. It can only affect you positively. So we're happy to do that. In fact, that's one of the little tricks and tips that we use when a client calls us. General economic and inflationary factors. General economic conditions, inflation can impact insurance rates. Rising costs of medical care, auto repairs, cost of parts, property replacement can lead to higher premiums. It's hard for us to insure a risk when we're not able to pay for a total loss in that same risk. So if you're driving a Maserati, obviously your insurance premium is going to be a lot more expensive than a 1990 Ford F-150. So natural disasters. If you live in an area prone to natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, wildfires, your rates may increase due to higher risk of claims associated with these events. These are happening a lot more. Some people say it's global warming. Some people say it's politics. Just kidding. Natural disasters, though, are definitely more frequent. One of our carriers told us that in the last 365 days, catastrophic events, I think she said, were something like 325 of those days. That is crazy. Were recorded somewhere in the nation. A catastrophic event, a catastrophic natural disaster event. 325 of those 365 days. I think it was even more than that. Regulatory changes. Insurance rates can be influenced by changes in the state or federal regulations that affect that industry. Just like my last week's Monday Messages by Missy, attorneys in Georgia are definitely affecting our rates. So thank you, attorneys, for increasing everybody's insurance premium. Age and mileage. For auto insurance, the age of your vehicle and the number of miles you drive can impact your rates as well. So if your car is sitting in the garage versus driving 40 miles a day, who do you think is going to have the better insurance premium for same risk, same driver, same area? Older cars might have lower rates, and fewer miles driven can mean lower risk. We also have something called telematics that can really help your insurance premium. So talk to your agent about that. So if you're experiencing an increase in your insurance rates, it's a good idea to contact your insurance agent to understand the specific reasons why. If your insurance agent can't tell you why, you should call us. You also should consider maybe looking at all the things that have in fact impacted your premium. And as a last resort, Stallings Insurance will shop your rates around, but a lot of times we try and keep you with the same company because having tenure with a carrier means a lot and has a lot of additional benefits. And that's a whole nother Monday Messages by Missy's video. So working to improve your driving record, credit score may improve your premiums over time. All in all, you want to make sure you're getting good, adequate coverage, that you understand what you have, that you have a deductible that you can afford, and that, it's really at a competitive price, and we can help you to understand that as Stallings Insurance Agency. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. And if you want to know why your insurance rate has increased with either Stallings Insurance Agency, because they are, mine increased 25% last year, my personal auto insurance and home insurance. Yes, it did. And not for any of those reasons listed above, other than just because of the state increases. So, but on a different note, there are things that we can do to help you retain similar insurance premiums to what you had last year. And that doesn't mean changing your insurance company. So we're happy to help. We love our clients. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the next Monday Messages by yours truly, Missy.